Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
King status to get in my body. Gotta be king status to get in your body. Fuck yeah, cause a queen is what I embody.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Probably look a little crazy because I got tape sitting on my face, but it's Friday. That means it's face chart Friday. And for this particular face chart, I need somewhat perfect wing. It's taking all the concealer off, lovely. I need considerably perfect wings. The face chart was sent to me on Instagram by one of my favorite Instagram boos, and I don't think I've ever tried this face chart artist before. I can't recall to my knowledge, but I've seen a lot of people recreate her face charts. The name is Judas Tape. Judas Tape does a lot of cool looking face charts, interesting face charts. So the person who sent this to me is like, you look good in pinks, so you should do this one. So I'm going to be doing this one, and we'll see if I can do it or not, because sorry, looking at my phone trying to find the picture or the message. Okay, I'm just save the picture, screenshot it. Okay, screenshot the picture and save it that way. Ooh, I could have just saved it. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing this face chart, and yeah, enough talking, let's get started. So I have absolutely everything here. I have everything here this time, instead of, because normally I leave my foundation in my room and then I go do it in there because the mirror's bigger. But I'm going to, about to knock it down. I'm going to be doing everything in the same room. I'm not going to be doing the foundation on camera. I need this picture to change positions though. Because, you know, don't really need to do it on camera. Everyone does their foundation a different way. So yeah, I'm going to be using two eyeshadow palettes, and they are the Makeup Shack Rainforest palette, the James Charles and Morphe palette. My brushes are here. For lips, I got a couple of choices because this lip is very interesting, as you can see in the picture. So I'm probably going to be using this ColourPop lippy pencil in the shade Bad Habit. This lip color that I got in Korea, this is from Volve. This shade is called Magenta Some. That's cute, Magenta Some. And it's a really bright pink. So I'm gonna be using that. And the center is like lighter. So I don't know if I'm going to be using I'm Nude or Up All Night. But yeah, I'll figure that out when the time comes. So enough talking, let's get started. So I took the tape off. I thought I was recording when I took the tape off, but I didn't. I got scared because this was on the tape, and I thought that I put my liner, but no, it's just on the tape. It actually came out really good. Proud of that. I'm gonna go off camera to do foundation and clean up the stuff off my nose and everything. Then I'll be back for everything else. And I am back. I'm loving how this is coming out so far. Next thing we're gonna do is there's like a little bit of shimmer on top of the pink. So I'm going to go into the Makeup Shack palette and take my favorite iridescent shade. As you can see, I hit pan on it. I use it a lot. This one. And just plop that, I love that word. Plop that on top. My window is open, so you're probably gonna hear everything from outside. Take a little bit of that. And it's like right in here. Oh, this mirror got dirty real quick. And all I did was close it. Put. Okay. And I did wet the brush with my setting spray before. So, yeah. And a little bit more to like right there. And right there. And holy cow, I got some of the eyeshadow on my lash band. So now I gotta fix that. By the way, these lashes are from Hello Gregory. They're the Athena lashes. My Aphrodite ones finally broke. They died. They died. Okay. And then the lower lash line. So for the lower lash line, there is a purple shade in here I want to use. It's like almost, it's like purple and pink at the same time, almost. This one, but I'm also going to combine it with, I brought my oldie but goodie, the Morphe 35P. I'm going to combine it with, because they're very similar, this purple right here, because this one's slightly brighter. I'm going to use the two of them, and then for the inner corners, I'm going to be using a new highlighter that I got from Hello Gregory. That's what I put on my cheeks. I didn't do that on camera, but it's called, it's open. It's called Ice Queen. So, and it's a really, really pretty iridescent blue. It's gonna fall out probably. Oh no, it didn't. But it's really pretty. So, I'm gonna swatch that real quick. But that's what's on my cheeks right now. I mean, plus the Eddie Funkhouser Glow Drop and Glow Powder highlighter. I didn't use the luminous powder though. And I did the e.l.f. blush, and then the blush palette, I did these two. So, because it's pinky. So, onto the lower lash line. And now it's time for the lips. I have decided, since it's lighter, I'm going to be using I'm Nude instead of Up All Night. So, yeah. And this is the finished look. I actually really like it. This lip though, I don't think I've ever worn a pink this bright, but you know, I'm feeling it, this was actually a really fun face chart to do. I didn't think I'd be able to do it, and I think I succeeded, although my pink does go a lot farther and higher than the pink on the face chart, but that's because I like the color right under my brow, and then I cover it with highlighter, with highlight anyway. So there's that. What I did was, I didn't mention, but I just took the same pink from the Makeup Shack palette that I used here. It doesn't have a name, that I used here, and I put it on top of the purple under there. That's what I was doing when I went underneath and you saw pink. That's what that was, because if you look really closely, like I did, because I zoomed in on the phone, if you look really closely, there's pink there too. So it's like a pink purple. That's what gave it the pink purple look. So that's what I did. And yes, I did not contour my nose as tight as they did. Like the nose contour is like real tight. I didn't do that. I could have, but nah, I'm just embracing this Michael Jackson nose that I got going on. But yeah, that's it. I didn't put any gloss on because the lips are not glossy. That's it, that's all. I'm gonna go take pictures and then I'll be done. Any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to leave them. And I'll see you all Monday. Bye.